Students, today we are going to see the next side heading, digestive system. Digestive system includes two things, that is alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal is nothing but apart from mouth to anus, that we call it as a alimentary canal. Mouth and buccal cavity located in the first 5 segments of the leech. If you are taking the mouth is a triradiate structure. It is situated in the middle of the anterior sucker, and then the mouth leads into buccal cavity. Buccal cavity bears 3 jaws. The 3 jaws are provided with papillae. Papillae is nothing but the openings of the salivary gland, and also in each jaw there is a single row of minute teeth will be present. So I told you that 3 jaws are present, and in each jaw a single rows of minute teeth are present. And then the buccal cavity leads into pharynx region. Pharynx is nothing but தொண்டைன்னு சொல்றது. That pharynx is surrounded by a single layer and of salivary glands. Pharynx is surrounded by the salivary glands. The salivary glands used to produce hirudin substance. Okay, salivary glands are provided with the hirudin substance. This hirudin is a chemical substance that used to prevent the coagulation of blood. Coagulation is nothing but ரத்தம் உறைஞ்சி போகிறது. ரத்தம் உறைஞ்சி போகாமல் இருக்கிறதுக்காக இந்த ஹிருடின்ற சப்ஸ்டன்ஸை லீச்சோட ஃபேரிங்ஸ்லேருந்து சலைவரி கிளாண்ட் செக்ரீட் பண்ணும். And the next one is pharynx leads into short esophagus and then leads into crop. Cropன்றது தமிழில் தீனிப்பைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, so crop is the largest part of alimentary canal because it is made up of 10 chambers. Crop எத்தனை சேம்பர்ஸால் ஆயிருக்கும்னா 10 சேம்பர்ஸால் ஆயிருக்கும். The 10 chambers are communicate with the circular openings. So all the 10 chambers are communicate with one another by the circular openings. The circular openings are surrounded by sphincter muscle. Sphincter muscle is nothing but சுருக்கு தசைகள் சொல்கிறது. இது சுருங்கி விரிகிறதுனால க்ராப்போட ஒரு சேம்பர்லேருந்து blood நெக்ஸ்ட் சேம்பருக்கு பாஸ் ஆகும். And also a pair of lateral backwardly directed ceca arises from each crop. 10 crops இருக்குன்னு சொன்னேன். ஒவ்வொரு க்ராப்பில் இருந்தும் a pair of lateral means sidewardsல பேக்வேர்டாக direct ஆன மாதிரி சீகான் tube like structure arise ஆகிருக்கும். This lateral tube like structure used to store more amount of blood. This is also known as diverticula. அந்த சைட்ஸ்லேருந்து laterally arised cecaன்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா, that laterally arised ceca is known as diverticula. The last chamber of the crop leads into stomach, and then the stomach used to store the blood for some time. Here only the blood is digested, and then the stomach opens into small intestine. That means intestine. The intestine is a small straight tube like structure. Here the digested blood is assimilated into the body, and then the waste materials are entered into a rectum, and then rectum leads into anus. And the next is feeding. Leech gets the food by sucking the blood from the cattle and other domestic animals. So during the sucking of blood, leech attaches themselves with the other victim with the help of the posterior sucker. And also that leech made a incision, that means Y shaped incision in the skin of the host by the jaws protruded through the mouth. After getting the strong attachment with the host body, the blood is sucked by the muscular pharynx with the help of the salivary secretion. That means I told you all that already, that is hirudin. Hirudin that used to prevent the coagulation of blood. So the blood is continuously sucked from the host by the leech, and then the blood enter into the crop chambers and its diverticulum. The blood passes from the crop into the stomach. In the stomach, the digestion takes place, and also a proteolytic enzyme is secreted by the stomach. So the blood get digested, and then it is absorbed by the intestine, and the waste materials are stored for some time in the rectum region, and also finally it is adjusted through the anus region. Adjusted is nothing but excreted through the anus. Next side heading is respiratory system. Respiration takes place through the skin. Here the skin are provided with a dense or a thick network of blood vessel like structure. You note that blood vessel like structure called capillaries. So the capillaries contain certain fluid. That fluid name is hemocoelic fluid. So the hemocoelic fluid extends between the cells of the epidermis. The hemocoelic fluid extends between the cells of epidermis. Here in this region only exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place by diffusion method. Diffusion is nothing but பரவல் முறை. பரவல் முறையில் ஸ்கின் மூலமாக ஆக்சிஜனும் கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடும் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது. And it gets oxygen from the surrounding water. At the same time, it diffuses the carbon dioxide out. Leech respire through the skin, so it used to keep the skin moist and slimy. Okay, so that only the moist and slimy skin prevents it from drying. And next system is circulatory system. The circulation brought by the hemocoelic system. There is no true blood vessels are present in leech. The blood vessels are replaced by the hemocoelic canals. So this hemocoelic canals only serves as a heart. How many hemocoelic canals are present here means there are 4 longitudinal canals are present. That 4 longitudinal canals are connected together posteriorly in the 26th segment of the leech. Where it used to present means the 4 hemocoelic canals are located. One is located above the alimentary canal. Above the alimentary canal means dorsal side. Dorsal side na mudugu pakkam. And second one is situated below the alimentary canal. Below the alimentary canal means ventral side. Ventral side na vayitru pakkam nu solrom. And 2 other hemocoelic canals lies on the sides of the alimentary canal. Sides means lateral. So above the alimentary canal, 1 longitudinal canal is present and below one is present. On either side of the alimentary canal, 2 longitudinal canals are present. All these 4 longitudinal canals are connected together in the 26th segment of the leech.